All right, so my next problem is UPS wants you to design an open box, so no top, with a square base that has a volume of 5,000 cubic inches. So I want to know what the surface area is. So the box, right, looks like this. No top. Okay, so my surface area, if I think about it, right, it's all the sides. So I have one side, the bottom side, and another side, and another side, and then I have the front and the back because I have no top. So I want to know my surface area. It has a square base, so I know that this is x and this is x, and then my height is h. Okay, so I know that my volume is going to be x length times width, right, times height, and that is all 5,000. So that equals 5,000. So I know that my height is 5,000 divided by x squared. Okay, so I know that I have, if that's h, this is h, and this is h, right, but this is x. So I have, for my surface area, I have the front and back are x by h, and I have two of them, right? And my bottom is x squared, and then my other two sides are also x by h. So I have 4xh plus x squared. So I know that equals 4x times 5,000 over x squared plus x squared. Or I have, 4 times 5,000 is 20,000 over x plus x squared. So you have your equation. Now go ahead on your calculator and graph the function, and we'll look at it together. Your graph should look like this. Okay. The next thing that we're supposed to do is we're supposed to find the minimum amount of cardboard that can be used to construct it. So I want to find my minimum x. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to go to here, and we're going to go to Analyze Graph, and we're going to find a minimum. And we'll go to the left, and we'll go to the right, and see what it finds. So this is 21.5. That number doesn't seem like it's probably the best number, so what we're going to do is we're going to try again. So I'm going to go, again, I'm going to look for a minimum, and from my left, I'm going to go over here, and from my right, I'm going to go pretty far out. And so it still says 21.5. So 21.5 is, now that is my x, right? So now what I need to do is I need to find what the value is. I have to plug that into my equation. So go ahead and plug it into your equation and see what you get. See if you plug it in and you get that as well. So if I want to know what my dimensions are, I know that my x is 21.5, so I have 21.5, and then it's x by x, so by 21.5, and then I have to find my h, and my h is 5,000 divided by 21.5 squared, which is about 10.8.